Welcome back.
This is our 10th episode of this season.
Yeah! Woo! Let's get started.
The basketball season has just started, and the boys will have a game today after school against Slater Creek.
Girls basketball had a game 2 weeks ago against the Southern Panthers, and 7th grade A team won. Good job.
The Pioneer Band will be holding their winter concert on December 5th at SMS. Go support your Pioneer Band.
This Saturday is Sherman Christmas Parade. Come see our Pioneer Stucco, band, choir, orchestra, cheer, and drill team.
Now to Aria and Morgan for fun facts.
I'm Morgan.
And I'm Aria.
And did you know
it snows metal on Venus?
it would take 19 minutes to fall to the center of the Earth?
The Eiffel Tower was originally made for Barcelona.
And speaking of the Eiffel Tower, did you know it gets taller during the summer and shrinks during the winter?
And now it's time for Baking with Ava.
Eighth graders, the deadline to get your baby pictures to Miss Ford or one of the yearbook staff is January 10th.
Yearbooks are now on sale for $32. Look for signs around the school that'll tell you how to order or go see Miss Ford.
Different religions celebrate different holidays during this time of year. Let's take a look at some of these holidays.
Kwanzaa is a holiday that celebrates African American culture. This holiday is celebrated from December 26th to January 1st. Happy Kwanzaa!
Hindi people celebrate Diwali, a celebration that honors Lord Krishna's victory over the demon Nakarasura. This holiday is celebrated between October 31st and November 1st. Happy Diwali!
Well, that's the end of our 10th episode.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Please remember the big three: respect,
Responsibility,
and safety. Don't snooze on the news.